Hello watcher and subscriber. This tutorial is very important for the teacher because here in this tutorial I tell you how you can take the printout of your Google form or how you can maintain the soft copy of your Google form, because this is what the Google form, so it is a tedious job sometime to take a printout or to create a PDF file so that you can share your paper easily or you can maintain the record as a teacher. So what happened, this is what the Google form. So you just click on this three dot and downside print option is there. I'm telling the easiest way for generating the PDF file. So here actually the first option is important. By default actually this option comes in your Google form, so you just select that save as a PDF. So you see your paper will look like this in your PDF form. So these option you can keep as it is and just hit on the save button, and then here in this save button, whatever the whatever the location that you want, there you save your file. Suppose in desktop I would like to save with the same name, so I just click on save. So then you have to just minimize this and you see here the PDF file got generated, and I'm just opening this for showing you how it look like. So this is what your PDF file, and whatever we have in the Google form, it is appearing here. So in this way you can generate the PDF file, and then you, for taking the printout, you can take the printout from here. Just select the print option, and as a teacher then you can maintain the record in the form of soft copy, or you can take the printout also. So that is how you can get your PDF file. So this is the easiest way to get the PDF file from your Google form. So whatever the steps I followed, you have to do that. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.